Hey everyone, Lanus here. Let's talk RAM. RAM, or random access memory, is your computer's short-term memory. Think of it like your desk. You keep the stuff you're working on right now on your desk for quick access. RAM is similar. It holds the data your computer needs. This lets your CPU, the brain of your computer, access it super fast, no waiting around. Without RAM, your computer would be painfully slow. It'd be like searching through a giant filing cabinet for every single task. No thanks, RAM makes everything smooth and snappy. More RAM generally means a faster, happier computer. RAM is your best friend when it comes to speed. Remember how RAM helps your CPU access data quickly? That means faster loading times for your apps, games, and files. Ever notice your computer slowing down when you have a million tabs open? That's where RAM comes in. More RAM means you can juggle more tasks at once without your computer breaking a sweat. Gamers, listen up. RAM is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Games require a ton of data to run smoothly. More RAM prevents those annoying lag spikes and frame rate drops. In a nutshell, RAM is the key to a fast and responsive computer. Whether you're browsing the web, editing videos, or battling it out in your favorite game, RAM makes it all happen without a hitch. Now let's dive into the different types of RAM. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. The two main types are SRAM and DRAM. SRAM, or static RAM, is like the VIP section of computer memory. It's super fast and expensive, which is why it's typically used in small amounts for specific tasks, like your CPU's cache. DRAM, or dynamic RAM, is the more common type found in most computers. It's slower and cheaper than SRAM, but still gets the job done for everyday tasks. Think of SRAM as a cheetah and DRAM as a horse. Both can run, but the cheetah is built for pure speed, while the horse is more practical for everyday use. For most users, DRAM is the way to go. It provides a great balance of performance and affordability. Section 4. The DDR Dynasty Evolution of DRAM. Within the world of DRAM, there's a whole family of DDR RAM. DDR stands for double data rate, and it's constantly evolving to be faster and more efficient. Think of it like your favorite video game franchise. Each new generation is bigger and better than the last. We've gone from DDR1 to DDR2, DDR3, DDR4, and now the latest and greatest, DDR5. Each DDR generation brings significant performance improvements like faster speeds, increased bandwidth, and lower power consumption. When choosing RAM, it's important to know which generation your motherboard supports. You can't just plug in any DDR RAM and expect it to work. Section 5. Picking the perfect RAM, a user-friendly guide. Choosing the right RAM doesn't have to be confusing. Here are the key things to consider. First, compatibility. Check your motherboard's manual or manufacturer's website to see which type and speed of RAM it supports. Don't skip this step. Next, capacity. How much RAM do you need? For basic tasks, 8 GB is a good starting point. For gaming and demanding applications, consider 16 GB or even 32 GB. Speed matters too. Look for RAM with a higher megahertz rating for faster performance. But remember, your motherboard has a maximum speed limit. Finally, consider latency. Latency is the time it takes for your RAM to access data. Lower latency is better, but it usually comes at a higher price. If you're unsure, consult with a tech-savvy friend or check out online resources for recommendations based on your specific needs and budget. Section 6. RAM upgrade. Level up your computer's memory. Upgrading your RAM is one of the easiest and most effective ways to boost your computer's performance. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. First, make sure your computer is turned off and unplugged. Safety first, open up your computer case. You might need a screwdriver for this. Locate the RAM slots on your motherboard. They're usually long and thin with clips on the sides. Gently push down on the clips to release the existing RAM sticks. Align the notch on the new RAM stick with the notch in the RAM slot. Gently push down on both ends of the RAM until it clicks into place. Close up your computer case, plug everything back in, and power it on. You should see the performance boost immediately. Section 7. RAM Powerhouse. Unleash your computing potential. With the right RAM, your computer can handle anything you throw at it. From lightning-fast browsing to seamless multitasking, RAM is the unsung hero of a smooth and enjoyable computing experience. Gamers can enjoy buttery smooth frame rates and immersive gameplay. Content creators can edit videos and process images without breaking a sweat. And everyday users can say goodbye to frustrating lag and slow loading times. So there you have it. RAM is more than just a bunch of chips on a stick. It's the key to unlocking your computer's full potential. Now go forth and unleash the power of RAM.